Hi, good day everyone. My name is Vin and welcome to NC Rizal Properties. Alright, galing tayo ng Upper Antipolo. So yung mga naghahanap ng Upper Antipolo dyan, no? Tapos, naghahanap kayo ng zero down payment. Again, zero down payment. Yan, baka ito para sa inyo. So yun, nakita niya yung one carport vehicle. Then, upon entering, ito, bubungad po yung ating living area. Okay. Ayan. So, ito yung ating living area. Right. So, by the way, yung lot area is 56 square meter. Then, yung floor area is 100 square meter. So, yun doon sa baba, toilet and bath po. Tapos, ito yung ating dining and kitchen area. Okay. Tapos dito sa labas, yung service area, meron diyang isa pang toilet and bath, tapos may isang hindi ko siya i-consider as maid's quarter eh. Yan. So yan yung full toilet and bath. Tapos yung katabi, yan, hindi ko siya kino-consider na maid's quarter. For me, storage area lang po. Ayan. Maliit siya. Kawawa naman po yung kasambahay. Ayan. So, for storage lang po. Storage room. Ayan. So, yung price, 5.8 million. Okay. Then, zero down payment. Kasi bank accredited na po. Medyo, mas mataas yung appraisal value. Kaya po pwede siya mag zero down payment. It's up to you kung i-grab nyo yung zero down payment. Okay. So, yung location, Upper Antipolo, malapit po sa may Robinsons Antipolo. Okay? Yung sa Along Sumulong na Robinsons. Okay? So, dito sa second floor, meron tayo dito ang 3 bedrooms. Right? Tapos, dalawa yung toilet and bath. So, alam niyo na, master's bedroom, may sariling toilet and bath yun. Then, each bedroom, may kanya-kanyang built-in cabinets. Yan. So, syempre, kahit zero down payment siya, may mga other charges din na, syempre, yung unang-una, yung bank charges. Then, kapag transfer tayo ng title, syempre, may mga taxes po yan. Merong Meralco and water. So, yung para sa pag-transfer ng title, yung taxes, Meralco and water is around 120,000. Then, yung bank charges, depende po yan sa bank. Pero, consider nyo na yung pagpalagay nyo na 2 to 3% ng loanable amount. Yan. So, kunwari, 5 million ilo-loan mo, hanggang 150,000 maximum. Okay? So, yun lang. Message lang if interested. Kung may mga katanungan. My name is Vin. Number ko is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Ayan. Alam ko, nailagay ko na rin sa video. Okay? Kanina. Paakit ako ng hagdan. Ayan. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.